Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the days of your life. I am back with another beautiful ideas about the blue Wreaths designs. The combination of blue is so cute, and if we discuss about the Wreaths designs, the blue and green combination are most aesthetic and most creative. Blue, the color of peace, depth, elegance, and we are exploring the word blue Wreaths designs, their unique beauty, meaning, and how they can transform any space. Beautiful ideas and the beauty of blue Wreaths designs that you see in this collection. Light blue colors, navy blue colors, aqua blue colors, and if we discuss light blue colors are softness, navy blue color depth of elegance, aqua is creativity and energy. I hope this floral blue Wreaths designs that enhance your home beauty, increase your front door decoration ideas. The countless ways to design a blue Wreaths designs, there are a few ideas in this collection. Blue Wreaths designs, glass and shells, the winter blue Wreaths designs, the ice blue color is so attractive guys, and I hope this Wreaths design is very elegant and very attractive. All ideas are new and beautiful, simple and creative. I hope you enjoy my videos. The color of blue symbolically used for trust, peace and open free welcome ideas. Want to try it yourself? All you need are a few flowers with designs that recreate your home look. Ideas are so attractive, and thanks for watching my YouTube videos. If you have any question about my YouTube channel, then guys please support to my YouTube channel. Wreaths designs used for sunflower Wreaths designs are so creative. Add a sunflower, sunflower demand are so high, and the colors is so attractive. The blue is most beautiful colors, so this theme is so attractive, this theme is so elegant, and ideas are so beautiful. I hope this video and this collection is very informative for you. Save the video, share the video, subscribe to my YouTube videos that upload on my YouTube channel on daily basis. Attractive ideas, simple ideas, inspirable ideas, and the Wreaths designs, summer Wreaths designs, the combination of different colors are available. So thank you, keep watching and support to my YouTube videos. Take care and bye bye.